Hello y'all. Let's make chicken stew. On nous fait sauce viande Haitian style, alright? N'a fonti manger sauce viande and let's go. This is the chicken right here. I pour some salt, vinegar, and wash it with lemon, lime, whatever you have. And then pour some hot water on it to just finish the process, the cleaning process. Vous mettez de l'eau chaude sous lit, ou lavez la citron. Et vous mettez pisou, the green seasoning, smoked paprika, and olive oil, whatever seasoning you want in there. Épices, vous mettez épices, smoked paprika, qu'importe food seasoning, vous mettez garlic powder and onion powder, whatever you need you want in there, okay? Et puis you mix it in. And then we're gonna let this sit for like about 2 or 3 hours. But it's better if you put it, like, leave it overnight. Quitter nan marinade lan pour 2 heures temps. Ou bien ou ka mette overnight is better. Ou quitter dormi aswe li ki bon. Alright? Right now we're about to cook. Alright? N'a fait manger. We put bell peppers, hot peppers. If you let it boil for like about 20 minutes, but watch it to see, like, to make sure meat la pa krasé. Then we fried it in some avocado oil. L'huile zabo ka mette nan chaudière et puis nou fri viande nan. But it's up to you. Whatever oil you have, you can I just choose to use avocado oil, right? Et puis nou fri li gade ki jan viande nan belle, li jaune, li pa boule. It's perfect. Alright? Look how beautiful it looks. Alright? Nou fin fri ti viande nan l'huile zabo ka. And then nou pal fe sauce la konya. We're going to make the sauce, alright? The stew. Okay, the same oil, I just took a little bit of that oil. And then some of the sauce that I fried some tomato in it. M'fri an ti m'pa mette pa tomate non. Mwen fri an ti tomate la dani. Then I put back the boiled meat, the salt, the stock I got from boiling the meat. And then add back all the fried chicken you had, right? Ou mette tout l'eau te bouilli viande nan, et pou mette viande ou te fri au back, et puis ou kite let it boil for a bit, but watch it so it won't be dry, alright? Ou mette tison yon. I don't like my onions cooked, so I just put it at the end when I'm about to finish the process, right? The cooking process. Mpa reme zon yon mkwit, so mette li en denye, right? Konya pou lo ap manje li bon ti crunchy. I served it with some rice and peas. This food was good. Follow and subscribe for more.